Hello everyone, welcome to Thesis 123. I learn and teach online. Now I am going to teach you MATLAB plots, quick plotting and editing. I start from the basics and focus on the topics where we get confused or get problems in MATLAB plotting and how to address them during our project or research. This MATLAB plotting is covered in 8 short videos on quick plotting and line specifiers in MATLAB plotting, formatting the MATLAB plot, like giving labeling to the MATLAB plot, multiple lines or subplots in a single window when you have a different types of analysis to compare in a single window, different types of two-dimensional or 2D MATLAB plots, different types of three-dimensional plots in MATLAB, extracting data from MATLAB figure window when your program is running for lengthy, and also you already have your MATLAB figures with you. Now you want to use that MATLAB figures data for further research. So instead of running the program again and again, we can directly get the data from the MATLAB figure windows already existing. And MATLAB plots from Excel sheet. Normally most of the researchers will get data in the form of Excel sheets having the column names and row names and different number of pages. So how to get the take the data from that MATLAB Excel sheet and the plot used in the MATLAB plotting. The last video is very important one, where while writing a technical paper or report or dissertation or thesis, we have to present the MATLAB plots. Our plot is in the documentation very efficiently. So what are the general practices we use, that is explained in the last video. So in this now I'm going to explain the better way of plotting fastly and line specifiers for the MATLAB plot. The normally for the plotting in MATLAB, we use the three methods. One is plot command in command window or editor window, or it is called as script file, and also we can use method of fplot command, and the third method is tool strip in a main window. The different types of plots in MATLAB. So what are the various types of plots are available in MATLAB, just to have a quick glance. So this is just plain linear plot, and you have a bar plot, and there is a three-dimensional mesh plots, you have a scattered plots, and you also have a three-dimensional plot. So you can represent your research in different form of plots in the MATLAB. Normally data we get in the form of some numerical values, x, y, z, something like that, or we will get a equation in the form of equations. So how to plot these? So how to plot these types of data or equations in a MATLAB figure window, we will see now. Now I am taking this x comma y values, and the MATLAB is opened, and in that I am just in a command window I am pasting these two x and y values. Now the simplest form of command in MATLAB is plot of x. So simple one variable, then you will get a window like this. So when you use, just see this, and one more, a plot of x comma y. So there is a difference of these two. When you plot x, just plot x, then you will get the values of the x is plotted against the number of values in that x value. So x variable. So here there are 9 number of variables variables are there. So in this 9 values, so what is the value is plotted against this. Now we are interested to plot. The simplest form of MATLAB plot command is plot, and it is plot of x versus y. So this is the plot I am got it. So now so this is the generally for data is given how to plot them. And also if you have an equation, then I am taking a defining these two line the x1 is equal to line space. I am generating here I'm generating the 100 points between -1 to 1. Our equation is this one, -1 to 5, the f of x to be plotted. So now, and also I'm written in the form of y1 is equal to x1 square, because it is a matrix, is array, so I need to use dot power. So now I'm plotting plot of x1 comma y1. So this is the plot we are getting. So like this, when the data is given in the form of this numerical values or equation, we can plot using MATLAB plot command. So remember here command. So here when the plot is plotted in the MATLAB command window, the default color of the line is blue. All the plots by default you get a plot of a blue color one with a line length of 0.5 units, and also you should have a number of values, and x-axis must be equal to the number of values y. So size of the both x-axis y-axis should be the same, and x should be increased form, because you are plotting with respect to x-axis to y-axis. Coming to the MATLAB window, here the plot line is only just blue color, and it is this 0.5 length, but when you are taking this figure into the documentation, it may not be visible. So now how we have to change this color of this when you have a multiple results, multiple data, so how to compare them with different color. So now we are going to see we are going to discuss about the specifying the line with different methods. So that is called the line specifiers. So in this line specifiers, so the line data of the line style, we call line style should be maybe a dot, or it may be dash, or it may be dash dot, or none means invisible. So normally we don't use that, but dot, star dot, or star, something like we can use. And next is the line color. What are the different line colors we can get it? So by default I said the blue color, but we can use R for red, G for green, C for cyan, white for W for white, K for black, Y yellow, and like this M magenta. So like this the different colors can be used for different lines. And what are the different markers we can use? So there are different, markers mean the points, the different points, how they are represented. It may be plus. If you use a plus, all the dots are plus. Instead of dots, you will it is represented with the plus, circle, asterisk, point, upper triangular, triangle down, triangle left, triangle right, square, diamond, D for diamond, 5-point star for P, 6-pointer star for say H. So like this we have all we can line style, line color, marker, and like that we can represent with the total line. So these are all called line specifier. Let us see how we can use this values in the MATLAB plot. So now we will see that in the form of short form representation. So this is dash is for solid line by default, dash dash is the dash line, and this is a dotted line, colon is dash dot is dash dot line. So and also colors are red, green, blue, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and white. And you have a specifiers, so already explained to you. Now coming to the plots, and we will explain, we will see how to use all of these. So now we are using plot of x comma y. So this is our plot. So this is our basic plot. Now I want, so it is a blue color and solid line. I want to change with the color to red. Plot of x comma y with the color to red, because already is already given red. R represents for red. So its red color has come. So I can use like this, red color, or I can use cyan color, or I can use green color. So like this I can use plot of x comma y. Color is a command for the line specifier, and we can use a green, and If you want to black color, K is the black color for that, K. So this is the color how to represent, and I want to represent line style now. So presently it is a solid line. Now I want to change it to the change with the different other format. Now I will go for dot plot of x comma y. Now it is a solid with the blue color. Now I want to change line style to LineStyle. So dash is for dotted one. So now see the dash line has come in. So now I can change it to, it may be dotted one, or it may be dotted one. Let's say dot one, and we can see dash dot is, so you can get dash dot color, and we can see like this. So we can give the different line style in the by giving a line style here. And next, coming to the marker. So we will go for again go to the default form, the MATLAB, this one, and then I want to use the marker in this. It is a command for this marker of, I want to use the circle format. I want to use circle is nothing but O. So this is, so these are the different markers we are getting. So like this we can represent the line style, line color and markers. Now I can also to better way to represent the line width. Now we will see that line width. So I want to change with line width. Now this is my basic formal plot. Now line width is line width, and by default it is 0.5. Now I'll just use the 0.5 only numerical value. There is no change in that, same as it is. If I change with line width to 1, there is a change in, and little bit more line width to 2, so there is a change, line width 4. So like this we can change the line width of the line. So like this, color, style, marker style and the width of the line can be changed in the MATLAB. And now all together, instead of using color word, line width word, line width marker and all, just we will see that all together how can we use plot of x comma y. I want to have a red color with dotted line, red color with dotted line and marker with star. So like this I am using simply. So just see that red color with the dotted and with the star dots we are getting. Now I want to use the width of this one. So line width, you can also use capital L, line width. Sometime we can use like this, is equal to some, like 2 is the better option. You can see that, or the extra bracket has given here. Line width is, I will use 4. So I can see that. So like this, so we get represented in the single. Instead of representing individually, we can also represent single form like R dotted and star like this. Now I want to, because when your line is increased, the markers are not visible. I can increase the marker size now. So coming to the marker size, I want to go for marker size is let us say I'm going to give you somewhere around some 12 value. So now marker size is increased, marker size, and I want to use, instead of star I will use marker. I use circle 1, circle. So I'm using circle 1. Again this markers color also I can change, the edges color and face color also I can change. So I'm using the line width, marker size, and then I'm using her marker edge color. Marker edge color is of, I can take green color, and I want to change the face color of this. First I'll use this edge color. So edge color is changed to green. Now I want to change the face color of the marker. Now I'm going to the same one and just marker face, color marker face color is, let us take yellow. I'll take it as the yellow. So this is the mark face. So like this we can change the marker size and also increase the marker length, line width, and line style, line color. So like that we can use. Now we can change by using the line specifiers. So now this is the default way plot of x comma y. The line specifier is the default way. This is the general format of the plot command. Line specifier, and the property value, line width is 12 and marker is star. So like that. So the marker size you can give like this. So we have given the simple plot of this plot of x comma y, red with dotted with circle, line width is 2, marker size is 12, marker edge color is CR, and yellow. So I can copy this, I can paste in MATLAB command window. You will get the different. When you are plotting, then this will be, so you cannot plot this. I can use the, already I have written this form. Yeah. So like this. So we can just to show the standard format of the MATLAB specifier I given to you. Now coming to the f plot. So, and also one more important point is we can use this specifiers, order may be different. You can use red dash line with circle as markers, and also same thing you can use it as circle first, dash or red color, or you can interchange it. So I'll show you in short. Plot of x comma y, the previous one, just I'll take the previous one, x comma y, the first marker, then I'm using red color and dash. So you can also use like this, just see this, and or you can also use red line, and first you will use line type, the line color, and the marker style. So like this. So both are same. So we can order of the order of the line specifier can be interchanged. Now coming to the next method using f plot. The standard format of the f plot is f plot of function and limits. Already we have taken one function previously, and then that we will use now. And the or to line specifiers is, earlier we have a plot of x comma y. Now instead of that, f plot of function, and you have a limits. So during what limits? Now f plot of function, limits, and line specifiers, like what is the line length, what is the marker, something like that. So we can use by using MATLAB. So now I am taking this f plot function. Previously already we have taken the equation is the line specifier. So this is the equation we have taken. Now I am taking the these two equations by using this equation as for f plot. F plot of the function, this is my function, and it is to be plotted between -1 to 5. So this is the standard format of this one. So I can see this. So this is my Okay, there is a dots are I used wrongly. So your plot is this one, your plot of x square minus 4x plus 9 by this one. So you have a using this one, so you have got a plot of like this. Now you want to change the same thing. If I plot the previous method, plot of, let us take the same one, I'm producing plot of x1 comma y1. So if I use this, so I have taken, I generate x1 a line space between -1 to 500 values. X1 is y1, y1 is equal to x1 square, this like this. So now the plot is the same plot. So there is no whether you use your plot or plot, both are same. Now how to change the line specifier to this? One more example I'm going to give this. So your plot of 2 exponential e to the power of minus t square, and in between -2 to 2. So this is one more example of using f plot by using in between -1 -2 to 2. Now I'm going to use the lines. We have already used f plot. Now I'm using the line specifier is the limits, the f plot of function, limits, and line specifier. Line specifier I want to use red color with a dash line with a marker as circle. So we can use like this. So like this we can use. So f plot also we can use the marker and all the property line specifiers we can use in the f plot command itself. So like this we can use the f plot command to plot the our data in the MATLAB. So now coming to the next one, it is using tool strip. So it is third method is by using a tool strip in the MATLAB main window. So coming to this MATLAB main window, you have all the variables here, all the previous variables. Now I'm clearing this one. Now if you come to home here, you will find the plots. At the plots, there are different types of plots are there. So it is saying the select the variable to be plot. Now if I plot only one x variable, just asking for just plot, so it is plotting with respect to one value, number of values here, 9 are there, so corresponding to what is the value of the each one. So like that is plot. Now I want to plot with both. Now I want to plot with between x and use the control mouse and to select the second one. So it is here, if you see the two variables are selected, and I want to plot between x and y. So just plot x and y. So I can also interchange between these two, and I can also plot again. So like this we can interchange by this using this one to plot between x and y or y to x. So now I'm just coming back to the normal way, and you can also go for other method. You can also have a bar, you can also have area, you can also have a pie, you can also have hist, you can also have a scatter. Like this we have different methods are there. Plots can be used. And if you want to use the, for example, I'm going for the second variable x1, I just selected, use the control and press on the variable which you want to plot on the y-axis. I use the file. So two are selected, and which plot you want, so you can use this one. So like this you can plot by using the tool plot also. If you have the data is already available in the workspace, or you can load the data into just you type here the data here in the command window, and it is automatically comes to this workspace. When the data is in the workspace, you can use the, instead of using plot, you have plot something like that. If the data is ready here, then we can use, this is the comfortable. There are number of other methods are there, plots are there. You have a semi-log, logarithmic log. So you need not worry about whether the command is you remembered or not. So directly, just if you have a data, come here, and what type of plot you want, just click it here. So like this we have a number of 3-dimensional plots. You have all the plots are available in the MATLAB. So you can have also frequency, you can frequency analysis toolboxes, and also like signal processing toolbox, statistics. Like that there are number of shortcuts are available to plot in the MATLAB window by using the tool strip. So this is called the MATLAB plots tool strips. So like this we can plot our data or equations in a MATLAB with three methods by using simple command of plot. The second one is fplot, and third one is tool strip. Now coming to this, and using the tool strip, you have to select the variables as I said already. X variable the first, and then select the y variable using shift button. If you have only two variables are there, just select all and select them. And or if you have multiple variables are there in the window, there are multiple variables are there, so I cannot use the control or all selection or something like shift, so I have to use the control tab to select them. And you can change the by using switch button. Here I already told you. And one element said then plotting is number of element versus the selected variable value. So like this we can use tool strip. And these are the example you can try. T is equal to 0 to 10 in increments of 0.1, and these are different functions are given to you. A t square, and b is equal to sin 2 pi t. See, I just take this, just type as t is in the MATLAB command window. You will get all these variables and plot a, b, c, d, and e versus with respect to time, and using a p plot, f plot, and also using using tool strip, MATLAB tool strip. And see what is the difference between again plot a, plot t, comma a. So thank you for watching this video, and next video is formatting the MATLAB plot, like x label, y label, and text in the command figure window, and legends, like that we will discuss, and also figure color, background color or access color, how all these things will be discussed in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. All the best to all, and give us a feedback or comments below to this video, and send us queries to info@thesis123.com. Also visit our website www.thesis123.com for more videos or for your projects. Don't forget to click likes below the video and give the feedback. Thank you very much. Happy day.